Although if we keep going the way we've been going, we're going to have a electric tea kettle in every room. Not that that's a problem.
I was going to say, is
That's
that
a good thing.
blessing or a curse? Okay. And Lady Wayfair came in to help early and often today. She did the shopping, which I'm grateful for. And we now have beef stock supposedly cooking.
If the Instapot is behaving.
Yeah, no guarantee about that.
Evil had another couple questions.
Oh, let me go back.
It stays in the bottle for a while before it's ready to drink, though. Was that a second ferment?
There is an aging process.
Yeah.
The mead that I make is drinkable after about a month. Again, we're not going heavy on the sugars. It probably would benefit from longer, but for some reason it evaporates fast. Can't imagine how.
But it is a dry mead.
It is a dry mead. So it's very good. It's a very good mead. More of a summertime, springtime one for me. And that was Be Bright mixed in there to clean out the keg from the last time. I'm just going to do a rinse right now. And soak my entire hand. Perfect. There we go. Okay. That's one rinse. Now we'll use the boiling water over here. Try not to scald myself. Can you see that? Let me switch over to that view.
I just adjusted the camera. Yeah. There you go.
There we go. I need to adjust that down.
We were getting a good view of your backside while you were at the sink, so I changed that. In case you were wondering why,
that's why they come
why
here.
I did what I did.
All right. I told you, she saves me from myself so often. And the flooring here, if you're curious, is restaurant grade. We did an upgrade, steamy view. We did an upgrade of our kitchen a few years ago. And we're convinced that it was a good thing to use porcelain floor. And I love it. It's a great look. Kills my feet.
And I warned you.
And what?
I warned you.
Yep, she did.
Well, I knew it would kill my feet, my knees. But the mats and shoes help a lot.
Indeed, I agree, Garden Get. Yep. The mats help. I'm wearing shoes, pads, and it cleans up nice, and I think it'll be good to sell. So we'll see. All right. So that. I'm going to start this for the actual mead. It does take a while to boil water. Gee, I'm educating people. Now, this is probably going to be hot, but since that Streamlabs is